Okay guys, PD Tech here with a little winter flight for you. Freezing conditions, -2 degrees centigrade, and a little tip for you when flying your DJI Mavic Mini or your Mini 2. So what I do, I keep the battery in my jacket pocket, my inside jacket pocket, which keeps it at body temperature, 37 degrees centigrade. I keep my aircraft in the car, a warm car, or it's in my house prior to flying, and I keep the time distance between leaving the warm environment and launching to an absolute minimum. Just climb altitude a little bit, and I'll just hold here a little bit, because what I'm doing is just putting some heat into the battery, some heat into the electronics and the motors, because obviously if you fly it around it's going to cool everything down. So make sure that to keep the battery warm initially, it's been in my jacket pocket on the way here, so it's nice and warm, toasty, 37 degrees centigrade body temperature. There's no need to go any higher than that. I've heard people saying, oh, they stick it on radiators or on a fireplace. You know, you don't need to get that kind of heat into it. That's really dangerous. It's a dangerous chemical, lithium is, and you want to check the DJI website for all the specifications, the temperature range, the safe temperature range of your battery, etc. You don't want to go outside that for obvious reasons. So I'm just having a look, doing a 360 pan around, and you can check the battery temperature in your DJI Fly app. You can go into the settings, it's in the first tab right at the bottom, it says battery info. Click on that, it gives you the individual cell status, cell voltage, total cell voltages, and it also gives you battery temperature as well. So keep an eye on that. I think it was about 19 degrees centigrade when I first put the battery in. And as long as you take off, hover it a little bit, it shouldn't go too far below that temperature. Try not to fly around too much at first. Just get some heat into your battery and your electronics first, and you'll be absolutely fine. I've also found these batteries last quite well in these sort of temperatures. You'll get well over 20 minutes flight time. They're not as affected as some other lipos and stuff that I've had in the past. They're not really affected by low temperatures. So as long as you keep those batteries nice and warm, I think that's the key. Don't let the drone and the battery stand out in the cold too long before you power them up and everything, and you should be fine. Fantastic views over this little place here. There's quite a lot of snow, but obviously as the day goes on the sun comes up and a lot of it's melted away now, but the air temperature is still really cold. Hope you enjoyed that little flight and that little tip for you. Take care guys, bye bye for now.